people will always stand up and say कि हाँ भांजी है तो role मिल गया. Most people don't understand the scrutiny also that comes with being Sanjay Leela Bhansali's niece.
See, I think it was high time people started taking me seriously as an actor.
He's got strong ideas, but he's so flexible.
He told me one thing, that don't act with your face.
Hi guys. नहीं, ये गुस्ताखी हम आज नहीं कर सकते. आज तो आदाब कहेंगे हम.
आदाब.
ये सारी अदाएं हमने इन्हीं को.
अरे
तो
वाह.
रिचा, शर्मीन, संजीदा.
So cute. आप बहुत अच्छी लग रही हैं, बहुत खूबसूरत.
माशाल्लाह.
आपका लिबास इतना खूबसूरत है.
आपकी ज़बान भी.
शुक्रिया. Guys, it was amazing. Can I just say that? Can I break character and say it was so cool? Tell me how light are you guys feeling right now? क्योंकि वहाँ तो हर सीन में, चाहे नाराज है या प्यार में है या गुस्से में, you guys were decked up head to toe.
I think मुझे थोड़ी छूट मिली थी उस डिपार्टमेंट में because I was the youngest.
हाँ, आप थोड़ी जिद कर रही थी.
I was rebelling, but मेरे कैरेक्टर के कपड़े थोड़े लाइट थे.
बाकियों के मुकाबले.
हाँ, बाकी मलिका जान was
The most decked up.
very decked up. Yeah.
I kind of enjoyed wearing the costumes.
बहुत सारे सवाल हैं जो पूछने हैं, पर कुछ जो मैं आपके परफॉर्मेंस से रिलेटेड इंडिविजुअली आप लोगों से पूछना चाहूँगी. Starting with you, Richa.
You watched 5?
I have watched
Okay.
5. And I want you to speak to me about how you managed to dance so well when your heart was breaking.
That particular shot that you're referring to was काफी tough क्योंकि वो एक टेक है. आपने नोटिस किया होगा. It's a long single take round trolley shot.
Yeah.
तो वो मुश्किल है करना क्योंकि आप जब भी आप चक्कर लेते हैं तो you can get disoriented because you should spot. आप spot करके चक्कर लेते हैं. आप spot करके आते हैं पर तब तक कैमरा शिफ्ट हो. So all that was very technical and difficult, but I mean I'm happy you're saying the dances well because मेरा पूरा फोकस उस टाइम पे मेरे टूटते दिल पे था. That's a very real breakdown. I'm happy you liked it and I'm happy that the heartbreak is conveyed actually.
No, we loved it, but we've also heard things about how tough it is to make Sanjay ji love anything. So you know, for him to approve it, you did it in one shot.
No, he designed it like that. He said it's, you know, उन्होंने बोला मजा नहीं आता अगर छोटा छोटा टेक होता है तो मजा नहीं आता. And he's so right about that.
Coming to you, Sharmi. So we've heard there are like multiple rounds of auditions.
Yeah, it was quite surreal because I did 17 auditions for the same role. Usually, like, if it was a no, I would have like gotten it in 1 or 2 auditions.
Yeah.
But like the fact that it was 17, it just allowed me to like improve myself constantly and also give Sanjay sir the confidence, I think, of entrusting me with this kind of a role. So I don't act because they never got back. I was auditioning for 1 full year.
Oh my God.
So and it's not like, I mean, I don't know how many people he auditioned also for it, but for 1 full year I was auditioning. Then right before they were about to go for shoot, he said, okay, fine, chalo. I really hope I've done justice to his trust that he put
17
in me.
auditions. What does that do to an actor?
Like I said, it helps me, it makes me feel like I'm already that character. But also ask my sister, Bichari was giving me cues for 17 auditions.
How sweet.
And Simran, that time her Hindi Urdu wasn't great, so she said, tongue choli nahi. I was like, tongue choli.
Tongue.
But it was very interesting overall.
I'm sure it's very humbling actually.
Yeah.
Very humbling process.
To a completely different degree, because I also feel like I've worked for the role. People will always stand up and say कि हाँ भांजी है तो role मिल गया. But most people don't understand the scrutiny also that comes with being Sanjay Leela Bhansali's niece. Like, and I love being his niece, but I also respect Sanjay Leela Bhansali as a director. So I will never put myself in a position where I'm taking advantage of the fact that he is my uncle.
Sanjeeda, can I start by saying I was shocked. एक तो आप बला की खूबसूरत लग रही हैं, and yet this is such a powerful role. Do you somewhere feel like you've shut people up like इस अदा के साथ कि अब तो वो कभी मुंह खोल ही नहीं पाएंगे?
अरे बाप रे. तो कितना खूबसूरत बात करती है ना ये.
And then she turns red also while
So
talking.
cute. And you know my cousin sister, she's in Kashmir. She is your replica.
Thank you. I'll take it as a compliment.
Absolutely.
Yes.
Damn cute. I love her. So shut people's mouth. Well, I've done my job as an actor, and I think I've been really blessed to be directed by the best in the world. तो मेरी खुशकिस्मती है और मुझे लगता है कि आई थिंक इट वाज हाई टाइम पीपल स्टार्टेड टेकिंग मी सीरियसली एज एन एक्टर बिकॉज कहीं ना कहीं आई थिंक आई ऑलवेज गॉट दिस दैट you're a good dancer but nobody really cared about how I act and also I think I've matured as an actor now so it's good time for me to be called a decent actor.
Of course, it's high time, and you've done fabulously
Thank
in
you.
this, and आपका overall आपकी filmography, आपका काम. How was it for you? Because you know we've heard how different the experience is for any actor in a Sanjay Leela Bhansali on a Sanjay Leela Bhansali set. How was it for you? Were there days जब आप एकदम you were being pushed to your limit and you thought मेरे अंदर इतनी ही acting है?
नहीं मुझे तो पता ही नहीं था कि मेरे अंदर इतनी एक्टिंग है. तो ये होता था आई थिंक या एब्सोल्युटली एंड एवरी डे इज न्यू ऑन मिस्टर भंसाली सेट. एवरी डे यू गो विद अ माइंडसेट दैट एवरीथिंग इज अनप्रेडिक्टेबल बट वन थिंग व्हिच इज कांस्टेंट इज दैट कि कुछ अलग होने वाला है. और आपको जो घर जाकर जो सुकून मिलता है ना सोने के वक्त पे कि आज मैंने कुछ किया है एंड देन यू स्टार्ट टेकिंग योरसेल्फ सीरियसली.
बड़ी अच्छी बात आपने बोली कि मुझे तो ये भी नहीं पता था कि इतनी एक्टिंग है. Did you guys feel that? Is there anything in while shooting this that you thought, "Arey, I'm so good at this, I didn't know."
More, I think it's, again that's also very humbling because you realize how you can perform when you're pushed.
Yeah.
Then you understand the importance of a good director pushing you.
Yeah.
और कोई जिसको थोड़ी परख है, कोई जिसको थोड़ी समझ है कि ऐसे करो, ये तुम पे सूट करेगा, ये नहीं करेगा. एंड एट द सेम टाइम I want to say I think he's also nervous before every shot and that's because he wants the best. He's very he's got strong ideas but he's so flexible. He's one of the most flexible directors I've worked with.
Yeah.
He absolutely waits for new ideas, asks you तुम कैसे करोगी, ये क्या, कैसे बैग कैसे उठाएगी, कैसे चलेगी, दिखाओ करके. अच्छा तुम्हें कैसा गुलदस्ता पहनना है अपने सर पे. You know those kind of things. He's very collaborative.
He's very flexible with expectations.
Yeah.
He expects you to be good. He expects himself to be good at his job. Therefore, he expects other people around them to be good at their job. And I think that's where we get a little intimidated or feel the pressure like people talk about. But that's only because he's putting in his 100%.
Yeah.
And if we give anything less, then that flexibility kind of goes away because you're not even trying to put in any hard work. So I think with Sanjay sir, it's flexible for sure. He lets you create magic. He gives you that ability to be spontaneous, to be intuitive, and I think people keep calling him a perfectionist, but that's
Any piece of advice that he gave you that you hold close?
So he told me one thing, that don't act with your face. Act with your voice and your eyes. He did tell me, there was one thing that he told me, there's this one moment, and Meena Kumari does it a lot. She looks into a space, she's looking into a space, but her mind is she's visualizing something completely different. So he said, try and find that. And basically, those are the only two main big chunks of advice that he gave me, but one thing that he's taught me my entire life is just hard work.
So we've completely run out of time, तो अब इजाज़त लूँगी मैं आप तीनों से.
लें इजाज़त पूरी लें.